Hello everyone! Welcome to today's video, where we're going to explore an exciting way to earn money online with InstaGC rewards. Whether you're looking for some extra income or aiming for financial freedom, InstaGC can be a valuable tool in your journey. Best of all, it's free to join. So let's dive right in and see how InstaGC can benefit you. First things first, what exactly is InstaGC? InstaGC stands for Instant Gift Cards, and it's a platform that offers various ways to earn money online, primarily through completing tasks, surveys, and offers. As you can see, the website is user-friendly and easy to navigate. Signing up is a breeze, and there are no fees or hidden costs involved. So, how do you get started with InstaGC? It's simple. Step 1. Sign up for a free account. All you need is an email address and a password. Once you're in, you can start earning right away. Now, let's explore the various ways you can earn money on InstaGC. You can complete tasks, take surveys, and engage with offers from popular brands. Each task or survey has a different reward value, so you can choose the ones that suit you best. InstaGC also offers a fantastic referral program, allowing you to earn even more. By referring friends and family to InstaGC, you can earn a percentage of their earnings for life. It's a win-win situation. Let's talk about how InstaGC can benefit you. 1. Flexibility. You can earn money on your own schedule from the comfort of your home. Variety. InstaGC offers a wide range of earning opportunities, so you can choose what interests you. Extra income. It's a great way to supplement your income, pay bills, or save for special occasions. Gift cards. You can redeem your earnings for gift cards from popular retailers, giving you more purchasing power. Referral earnings. The referral program can help you earn passively over time. To maximize your earnings on InstaGC, here are some tips. 1. Be consistent. Spend some time daily or weekly to complete tasks and surveys. Refer friends. Encourage friends and family to join using your referral link. Stay informed. Keep an eye on the latest offers and opportunities to maximize your earnings. Don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from real InstaGC users about their experiences. I love InstaGC. It's helped me pay off my student loans. InstaGC has made it possible for me to buy gifts for my family during the holidays. I've earned hundreds of dollars through the referral program. It's amazing. In conclusion, InstaGC is a fantastic platform to earn money online, and it's completely free to join. Whether you're looking for extra income, gift cards, or a way to save for the future, InstaGC can help you achieve your financial goals. So why wait? Sign up today and start earning money online with InstaGC rewards.